What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video. This time, I know you guys haven't really seen the Camaro in a long time. It's actually been a while since I've done a lot of shit to it. I've gotten a lot of shit to it. I've actually just been stacking up on parts to it. So far, we've got the majority of it stripped down. As you guys seen in a lot of the videos, so I'm not even gonna go over all of that. Our next plan is actually to paint this engine bay. So, new thing, got a tint for that as well. It's been through a lot. First thing I gotta do, take off the coolant expansion tank, a bunch of the wires, grounds, heater hoses, brake booster, all the normal shit that you need to do to get this all out of the way so I can paint this. Now, the color I'm gonna paint it, I'm gonna keep that secret with you guys. It's basically just a little walkthrough video. Show you guys as far as like what I've been doing since, the Camaro hasn't been in any of the videos for a while. Got a few, cool things here and there planned for it. I already got that stacked up. That will be in a later video. But yeah, I have a majority of everything that I would need. First things first though, all this surface rust. I can't even say surface rust. This is all from battery acid. We have to knock all of this out. We got to get that out of the way. Like that's got to go before we start painting on anything. That's instantly got to go. And then we got to get all of that cleaned off, this whole thing cleaned out, take some of the top hats off and the dust caps, everything off so it can get painted. So from that point, let me take you around to the front of the garage. And show you guys what we got from there. I assure you are going to love this. And I think previously I talked about my block getting, I just got a thing of dirt in my face. I know previously I talked about my block getting sent off to the machine shop, and I actually finally got it back. So transmission is in. We have a Tremec T56 Magnum. It is I want to say it's the TUT 99 or whatever that one is, with the 266 first gear. But block is back. I got my block machine at Performance Auto Parts. It's out in where is that at? It's out in Midway. I'll actually put a link to that in the description below. But first thing we had to do was get it hot tanked. We got it. The cylinder's honed. We got the surfaces decked. New freeze plugs put in it. We had it bored 10 thou over. Got ourselves a linear bore as well. Got ourselves some ARP main studs. It's getting a Brian Tooley Racing forged internals. I already have the crankshaft sitting in my room. I have the piston sitting in my room, just waiting on the connecting rods from Brian Tooley. We got our Willwood brake portion valve over there. Forging Camaro master cylinder sitting over there. It's all ready to go. Actually, to mount the transmission up, I just need to get the bell housing, throwout bearing, and that'll be all set for that. We've been doing some experimentations with the front bumper, as you can see. Just a little mock-up of what I had planned for it. Count out the centerpiece where the license plate goes. Yeah, it's coming along pretty good. It's not done. I mean, granted, the front bumper is kind of warped from it sitting out in the heat over the summer, but we're definitely gonna fix that. I'll take you guys for a tour into the house. Into the house where I keep all of the parts so far that I have planned for it. There won't be any audio because I got a lot going on in there. So I'll just show you guys what I got from there to go so far to go with the car. Another thing, and when I tell you this looks so nice, man, got a little treat for you guys. Little treat. Yup. That's a racing seat, baby. Corbeau FX1 Pro seat. I think this is the one made for like the 41-inch wide waist. I could be mistaken. I plan on getting a wider seat and putting it on the passenger side. This seat, I do need to get a set of Sparkle side seat brackets just so I can get the seat to sit down a little bit more. I noticed that like if I were to wear at home and my head hits the top of the T-tops, and that's not acceptable if I'm going to the track. So you can't be doing that. But yeah, first things first, you know, I'm probably gonna do a time lapse of this, or probably do like parts of how I'm gonna go and do this, like quick updates as I'm going along through it, of me just stripping down this engine bay. But it's pretty simple. I'm not really gonna do an in-depth tutorial on doing this, because like you can go watch so many videos on how to replace a lot of these parts and stuff like that. I will be saying like which connectors go to which on here. I do have the C100 harness out and the C200 harness out. It's already de-loomed and everything. I gotta work on the C200 harness. I want to cleanly take the thing out of the little grommet. I am doing an antenna delete actually on this. Don't plan on keeping this. This is getting welded flush. That's getting rid of. But yeah, this is where we're starting. Get a good glimpse of that, and then we'll show you how it is once it's done. Mind you, it's just going to be prepped. It's not getting painted, seeing how we are going into the winter, and you don't paint in the cold. So this will take a couple months, but I'm gonna get it ready for paint, and then sometime during the summer it will be getting painted. I do have the paint that is going to be painted, and I assure you guys are gonna love it. I'll catch you guys when I go inside the house. Bearings. These are our connecting rod bearings. These are just a standard size, standard material bearing. A little softer for the. I'm sorry. These are for the crankshaft. These are for the main. These are the main bearings. A little bit softer main bearings. That way they can absorb the abuse and not, you know, try to beat on it with the block itself. And then we got ourselves some King hardened connecting rod bearings, you know, nice and hard, that way it can withstand the boost. We got ourselves main studs. These are our caps, some piston rings made for our application because we're boosted. We got ourselves some Race Tech pistons. Just waiting on a set of Brian Tooley connecting rods. Oh, and I had the crankshaft drilled and tapped for the Gen 4 knock sensor. I'm going to be deleting the Gen 3 knock sensors that are in the main valve. So got that all ready to go. Yeah. And take you guys back to the car and go from there. Yeah, so like I told you guys, that's basically what we're going to be doing over the course of this summer, or this winter. I'm sorry. Course of this winter, getting this car ready and paid for prep as far as the engine bays goes. Still haven't decided whether I'm going to be painting the car myself. I kind of don't want to. I would like to do a professional job, have someone professionally paint it, but the engine bay I will be painting by myself. So I guess we're gonna dig into this, and you guys are gonna see this the next video. That's my quick little update on everything that's going on with the Camaro so far, because I know I've been posting a lot of content as far as us going to car meets, going to a bunch of car events like Import Face Off, Tuner Evo. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this content. We're trying to grow, get us up. At least we're trying to hit at least 100 followers or 100 subscribers. Check out our social medias; those will be in the link in the description below. Stay on a watch out because we got merch coming. New slaps on the way, new slaps currently, and it's your boy Zay. I'm gone. Peace.